No. Coming back. Hello. Who's making pancakes?
See? He's great. And so's Ted. Oh! I think he popped it back into Joe. Guys, Ted told me how amazing it was when he saw Izzy's ultrasound. I can't miss this. I won't.
Can I say something? I don't know this young man. I wish I did. I admire his spirit. And if he says we must continue onward, then I say I am in.
There are a lot of times in life when you just have to take control. Give me those keys. I'm driving. Next stop, in town. Of course, sometimes control is taken away from you. You have to operate on my baby while it's still in the womb.